Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video I'm going to talk about the 3 things I like about motorcycles. Like, recently just posted the 3 things I hate about motorcycles, but you know, today I'm going to do the 3 things I like about motorcycles. For those who are new, is just watching my channel for the first time, I've been riding as of today about 6 months on this bike, the Suzuki GSXR-1000R. I've had my license since the first of the year. Well, not my license, my endorsement since the first of the year. And this is my first bike. And the things I'm liking about motorcycles really doesn't have to necessarily do with this particular bike in general, but it's just it's really more so about bikes all the way around. You know, let's go ahead and get moving. I wonder which way should I leave? I probably should leave that way. So, did hold it, turn around. But yo, oh snap! There is a Tesla truck. Let me just go ahead and ride around it real quick. It's black. Yo, that's amazing. Black. I'm pretty sure that it's been lowered. Oh wow, that looks really nice. That looks super nice. But anyways, so totally got distracted with that. But anyways, let's go ahead and get back to the regularly scheduled programming today. I get distracted so easily, especially out here on the bikes. But you know, if you guys look across the street, you guys can see gas pumps and stuff like that. And the first thing that I'm super loving about bikes is really how much money I've been spending on gas. You know, you can say it's like bikes are cheap on gas, but not in reality. You still have to pay the same amount as regular 4-wheelers, cagers, and stuff like that per gallon. But what I like is the MPG, miles per gallon. You know, on my bike I'm getting about. It depends on how hard I ride it. If I'm riding a lot of highway, especially if I'm up in 6th gear and stuff like that, just cruising, I can get upwards of about 40 miles per gallon on this bike. If I'm running through the city and stuff like that, and in a little bit more higher RPMs at lower gears, I'm getting anywhere between 35 to 38 miles per gallon on this bike. So like, I can roll towards Tampa on a full tank. I can leave my house, go to Tampa, and I'll probably spend, I think it's about about $11 in gas one way to go there. Now, if I was going in my car, you know, I can go to Tampa and I could come back, and when I come back, I got to fill up. But hey, I got to spend $50. You know, no, actually, yeah, it'll be about $50 in gas. So I'm loving this bike life, you know, being able to just explore parts of Florida on the cheap because of the miles per gallon. So I'm just super, unbelievably just loving that, because for a long time I've always been wanting to go around and explore Florida just randomly at times. I really haven't been able to do that, only because like I know it costs me like $100 in gas per day. You know, I gotta make sure I'm full before I leave, and then I gotta make sure to fill up once I get back. Oh shoot, that car wasn't even coming over. God dang. I should have known that city bus was going to do something like that. I saw it before, just didn't do nothing about it. But yeah, day trips now is like, yo, anywhere between $25 and $50, and before it was, you know, no less than $100 of gas. So I'm just loving this, loving the MPGs on this motorcycle, and I'm pretty sure any motorcycle I was to get on, I'll probably still get higher gas mileage. I do believe lower CC bikes get way more gas mileage. Certain other types of bikes, I believe Harleys, cruisers, and stuff like that, they get better MPGs than mine. Some of them do have bigger tanks than mine. I have a pretty big tank for a street bike. I got 4.5 gallon tank. So yeah, about 40 I can do close to without really pushing it. 150 miles on a full tank. So that's actually pretty good. But anyways, let me think. The second thing I like about motorcycles, and I kind of sort of noticed it when I started to, on my days off, anywhere I go, I'll take the bike. I feel like I'm getting to places a hell of a lot faster and a hell of a lot quicker. It sounds a little, I guess, dorky or whatnot, but I do believe I get around town a hell of a lot faster, a hell of a lot quicker on a bike than in my car. And I'm really not doing anything too much differently than when I'm in my from my car to bike and whatnot. Like, I do feel like, I think the thing is like my takeoffs, my stops and takeoffs are a lot faster on a bike than in a car. So if I'm at a red light, I can get up to full speed a hell of a lot quicker than I can in a car. So that's what I'm liking about that. And then sometimes, even though it's not legal, you can do a little lane filtering to get through traffic, to get where you need to go. So that's always a plus too. But honestly, that number 2 was really short and sweet and to the point. But number three was a little bit more surprising to me, and I'm really loving it. It's the community, the bike community in general. Anyone who rides on twos, you really don't get too much backlash. You don't really get too much hate from the community. Well, more so the community in IRL than on social media. People who are keyboard warriors feel the need to tell you how to ride and tell you that you can't do this and you can't do that and you shouldn't do this and you shouldn't do that. That's not my experience when I actually meet actual bikers and stuff like that. Everyone's like, well, hey, welcome to the club. And like, when I tell people, hey, I just started out riding this year in the last 6 months, they'll be like, okay, that's what's up. And they'll be like, hey, just make sure you take your time, be careful with it. And sometimes they'll even give helpful tips of like situations that they were in that could probably help me out whenever I get into my situation, if I ever do get into a situation. So like, as a matter of fact, just last week I did a ride, group ride, welcome with open arms. Like, unbelievable. It was my first, no, it wasn't my first group ride, but this was my first group ride I went solo to, and I didn't know who these people were whatsoever. So that was my first time doing that. So I was like, okay, that's I was just amazed, just being welcome, especially the lady who organized everything. She was once in an accident and stuff like that. She came back, and her energy was super amazing. There were several other guys there, very welcoming, very humble. It's like, yo, nice bike, and I'm like, yo, you guys got nice bikes too. And I was like, I don't know. It was that particular day, just that group ride. I think it was a week ago, 2 weeks ago. I can't remember what it was, but like, just that particular day was actually just an amazing day, amazing group of people that you get around, and I'm loving it. It's actually one of the things I actually expected to happen when I got my bike, and I'm glad it did happen. So like, super stoked, super excited for all that. But yeah, these are the 3 things I I like, oh crap, man. I do this all the time. I should be in that side of the lane. I can't see crap over those cars. You know, I might have to duck waddle out. Go, 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 go. Yes. Wait, oops, once again I got distracted. Anyway, so those are 3 things I really like, you know, especially like, you know, being able to do day trips and stuff like that and save money on gas. Also, oh shoot, what was the second thing? Oh man, totally blacked out. Can't remember what the second thing was, but anyways, the third thing, you know, especially the community. Oh, getting to and from A to B a lot quicker, doing errands and stuff like that. That was the second one. Oh snap, what the hell? I don't have my visor down, so I just got hit with something, probably a bug. But yeah, those are the 3 things. I really do, I'll go ahead and end the video here. I really do appreciate everybody, each and every one of you guys who have been watching, especially the 100 and the fellowship, all the comments. Really do appreciate it, everybody. And if you guys are new and you guys like what you see and you like what you heard, make sure to give that hit the subscribe, make sure and hit the like button, and that goes out to anybody who liked the video. Make sure to hit that like button. Definitely really helps out the channel big time, for real. Well, anyways, I want to end it here, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.